if you want to grow, then your mindset for all of this stuff, it's going to sit just like this. You're going to have three things that matter. You're going to have, what am I doing that works? And you either choose to take it, what you already have, or do more. You're going to have, what am I doing that's not working? I'm either going to keep burning the cash on that because it's all I know, or I'm just refuse to make a change, or I'm going to stop spending money on that and I'm going to reallocate it to something that works. And the biggest question for all of you for growth is, what's next?